Can you tell us about your PAC Unity Alliance? What's your focus?
I am part of the Black Employee Alliance group, and basically what the group is all about is just to foster an inclusive work environment for all our Black employees and our allies as well.
The focus is to continue to empower our Black employees and create awareness around certain topics, as well as just provide growth and opportunity conversations.
What are you most proud of?
So what am I most proud of, right? There's many things that I'm proud of here at Arctic Wolf, but one of them that I'm the most proud of is really just when I started the company, I was one of few, right? One of few that really looked like me, Black individuals. And now when I walk the walls, there's so many that I'm able to dap up with, and you can just feel a sense of, hey, there's a brotherhood, there's a culture here, and folks that do look like me, right? And what that does is it really gives me a sense of belonging, right? That I see people that I look like, that I talk like, that I dress like, and that are part of my community that can help, be on that journey. And what we have here at NCEB Risk, then feel that sense of inclusion when it comes to diversity and inclusion here, being that that's a broad mission that we have as a company.
In 1 year, we've been able to grow our alliance to over 100 and have people reach out to find out how they can help and how to share their voices. It's just one amazing thing about being a PAC Unity Alliance.
What inspires you to lead within PAC Unity?
My inspiration comes from within the group, right? The camaraderie is very inspiring, or the conversations we have within the group is always inspiring. And with those, I felt like the group needs extra people to help set clear goals, help strive to achieve them. And that's why I decided, that I can take some of those reins and help lead within the PAC Unity.
The leadership at Arctic Wolf inspired me to lead within the PAC Unity space, and that's because of their support. They're very intentional about creating and fostering an inclusive workplace environment.
Being a leader is actually, therapeutic for me. It takes me out of my normal work activities just to concentrate and focus on something else.
In one word, what does it feel like to be part of the PAC?
The word I use to describe how it feels to be a part of the PAC is included. I feel included.
The one word that makes me feel good to be a part of the PAC is synergy.
What do you believe the PAC can do together?
Together, I believe we, the PAC or the PAC Unity, will have an opportunity to speak and be heard.
Together, I believe the PAC will win, right? We'll win together because we're all in it for one another.
I believe the PAC will continue to flourish and succeed.
Together as a PAC, I believe we will thrive.